Here's how to use the dynamic island on your iPhone. Now, the iPhone 14 Pro comes with a cool dynamic island at the very top instead of the normal notch that some of the older iPhones have. I'm going to show you the different options in terms of what it can do. Now, you can see I'm screen recording at the very top, so it has a red dot up there. I can, let's say, tap into Spotify and start playing this song. Now, if I'm playing the song and I get out of here, you can see at the very top, it has that little album cover now in the dynamic island, indicating that I'm currently listening to a song. I can just tap on it there and it'll pop up with Spotify so that I can adjust this, I can turn it on, I can turn it off, any of that different stuff. Now, this dynamic island can do a bunch of different things with a bunch of different apps. Basically, any app can customize what that dynamic island would do for their iPhone experience. So let's hop into just an article by Mac Rumors here, and you can see how does it work. It allows you to see your calls that you're currently on, what your battery life of your AirPods are. It has an entire list of all the different things that it can do. Apple Pay, it can AirDrop, it'll indicate AirDrop files, silent mode turned on and off, Face ID unlocking, focus mode changes, shortcuts, SIM card alerts, Find My alerts, and if you have Apple Maps or Google Maps turned on, it will show you indications of your next, turn coming up, any kind of incoming phone calls or texts or anything like that. Basically, any app, whether it's an Apple app or a third-party app, can use that dynamic island to adjust and add more information. Basically, it's a way that you can have your phone not in a specific app, but at the very top, it'll indicate what that app is kind of doing in the background, whether it's playing, you're getting a text, a call, there's a turn that you have to make coming up on your, Google Maps or wherever it may be. So it's basically a way to get a bit more information while not being in a specific app. Now, keep in mind, you can do some interactions with it. For instance, I can tap on it and end the screen recording. You can tap on it to open up specific apps, but the interactions themselves are a bit limited. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.